This weekend, the streets of East Flatbush, Brooklyn were full of vibes, as hundreds came out to celebrate 59 years of Guyanese independence. From dance groups to marching bands to the city's very own Guyanese American Law Enforcement, this year's Guyana Independence Day Parade had it all. The energy, the colors, the culture. Brooklyn showed up for Guyana this weekend. Were you there? Drop A in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural highlights.
Shout out to all my Guyanese, man. Came from far, right? Who's from Burries? Where the Burries people at? Where my Linden people at? Where the East Bank people at? Where we gonna go back and forth? Let's see.
Yeah. Where's mommy?